cloud is important for any kind of business because most business nowadays work online. That means they will have certain website or some kind of mobile app or some product which works online. When that happens, that time they should have one online server. And where do you think this particular server will be sitting in their office? No chance, because it's going to cost lots of things and it's very hard to manage one dedicated server in their office. So the best thing to go for would be to get one cloud server for them. So that's why cloud is always important for any kind of online related business, which is most of the business nowadays, because they will always have some kind of software which will integrate into their business workflow. So that's why the cloud is important. That's what you need to understand in the first place. Because of that, the cloud has lots of services which is related to DevOps. Because of this, DevOps personnel will be getting all the tools and technologies which is required by the DevOps in this particular cloud only. They don't have to do any kind of external work in order to set up the infrastructure, and they'll get all the services and all in the cloud only. That's why for a DevOps personnel, cloud is important. It really doesn't matter if it is in cloud or if it is in like a managed server, that is like the office servers. Till the DevOps personnel will get lots of services in this particular cloud. For example, Terraform will let DevOps personnel to release any kind of cloud server just by writing few lines of code. This makes sure that all the services which is available in these big cloud companies like AWS, Google Cloud, and maybe DigitalOcean, all these things are going to make sure that the product which one business is trying to release is going to be released very easily, and it is going to stay up because it's obviously cloud. It's going to be on 24/7 without any kind of major outage which happens once in a while. Not just that, and also it is going to be cost effective for the business. That's the one of the biggest role which DevOps have nowadays, that try to save the money from organization which goes out. That is the expense for the organization. So how do these DevOps people can reduce the cost using the cloud? The thing is, cloud provides this amazing functionality that whenever the website traffic increases, the resources which are dedicated for that particular product also keep on increasing. As a DevOps engineer, you can always write code for all these things and make sure that whenever there is high user load, that time the resources are available and they keep on adding, and when the user load is decreased, that time immediately you can make sure the resources gets released, because that resource is going to get cost for your company. That's why you can always try to decrease the cost using the DevOps role in the cloud. And not just that, most of the work of DevOps can be done in cloud only. If you want to release one software, there are so many options available in these cloud providers, which lets you to create that particular pipeline, and it even lets you to set up testing and staging and even production environment in the cloud itself. So most of the work will be done on the cloud only. You don't even have to worry about setting up some things in your laptop or something like that. You just have to log in into that particular cloud, and once you logged in, you can get all the services and everything will work on that particular cloud only. For example, if you want to run some Docker container or something like that for experimenting or running real world project, that time you can literally log in into cloud, and once you logged in there, you will get one shell, and you can use that particular shell to create Docker machine and to perform whatever the thing which you want to perform in that particular case. So everything will be on the cloud only. So that would be really great thing for you. So last thing which I want to clear in this particular thing is, as a DevOps person, do you need to get a cloud certification or something like that? The thing is, probably not, because the cloud will be usually managed by system administrators, and they are responsible for making sure all this cloud and infrastructure works fine. But as a DevOps, you need to know how do these cloud functions, because it's always going to add into whatever the thing which you are trying to achieve in that particular organization using your DevOps skill. So that's why you need to know about the cloud, but getting certification, it's always up to you, because if you want to get a little bit more good job, then obviously getting certified is better in terms of cloud. But if you don't want to do that, then absolutely fine. But you need to have the knowledge related to cloud. That's important. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.